Okay guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to start the agent services if they are stopped. On the left side you can see the agent is with the X, red X cross sign. That means the agent is not running at this time. We can verify this by going to the SQL Configuration Manager. So let me log to Configuration Manager and you can see if the service is running or not. So very first thing I'm going to do is minimize this SQL Management Studio with this minus sign, minimize, and then I will search for SQL Configuration Manager. So from here you can type in SQL Configuration Manager or Configuration Manager. If you type in just SQL, it will show you everything related to SQL. So right here you can see SQL Configuration Manager. Double click it and it will start. Okay guys, you can see the Configuration Manager window is open now. Click the SQL services and it will load. So here it is, SQL services are loaded. You can see MS SQL Server. The default instance on this lab machine is running under NT services right here. The browser is disabled and also the agent is disabled. So we are more interested in starting the agent. But before we do that, let me show you another way to see if the service is on or not. So we can use the Windows service using the control panel, or we can just go to the services. So just give me a minute. So go to control panel or search for again SQL, search from Windows. So I can type in services and hit search. You will see on the left side the services. Double click it. And this will load all the services running on this machine. Okay guys, so the services are, so you can see the services windows right here. Scroll down until I see SQL, or I can type in S here. It will take me to all related to S. So here is our default instance. Then we have agent, which is set up with manual, and then we have browsing service. So that's another way you can check the services are running or not. Okay guys, so from here, right click, check the properties, click the properties, and you will see the startup type is manual, and also, so once you are in this window you can see the startup type is manual and also the status is stop. What you need to do is start the service from here. But before starting, I need to also show you, like, you can change it to automatic, and every time it's down, SQL Server, Windows Server will try to start this service also. So I'm not gonna start the service from here. Actually, let's do that. We will start the service from here. I just hit start and then drop down and change it to automatic and apply to save all the information and hit OK. So now our service is running and it's automatic. That's one way to do it. If we go under the Configuration Manager and let me move this window a little bit, and then click SQL Services again. Let me refresh. Okay guys, so you can see the SQL agent is running now. Another way to start the SQL agent is, let's stop it first. So using the services, I stop the agent. Now I'm going to go back to configuration, refresh, and you will see. So I stopped the agent service right here. It's not running. I'm going back to Configuration Manager and it's stopped here too. The second way to start the services, from SQL Configuration Manager, I can right click and then hit this start button, and it will start the SQL services, SQL agent services from here. Okay guys, so as you can see, SQL agent services running right here. Okay, now let's go back to SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS, and it was red before, now it's green. So the agent is actually running under Management Studio. It's automatically updated here. So that's the two ways to start the SQL agent from SQL Configuration Manager and also from Windows services. The third way you can do it is right click on agent itself, and then you can stop the SQL agent right here and then also restart the SQL services right here too. So if I click restart, now SQL Management Studio, or the job behind it, is going to restart the SQL agent services. We go into Configuration Manager and I will refresh. It will show me a little bit more, maybe. It will show me a little bit more if the service is down or service is running. It's still, because this is my lab machine, it's slow. It's not coming back right away. So it did everything behind the scene. I guess I'm not able to see the red dot right here. Let me refresh again. I can try to see under services where it looks like if I refresh, this is from the last time, so it's running now. That means behind the scene it stopped the service and started the service again because the agent is still running. I will refresh the whole server on Management Studio and see if there is any possibility it stopped accidentally, but not. It's back online now. So that's the third way I want to show you. Like right click, you can stop the service, you can restart the service, and if it stopped, you can start also from here. So those are the three ways you can do it. The fourth way is you can run PowerShell to start the SQL agent service also, which I'm not going to be showing it today. Hope you like this step. This is very basic, but if you are new learning SQL Server, then this is very handy, and that will help and save some time while you are on the server, while you are learning. So thanks all for joining this channel today. I like to thanks everyone, and also if you like this video, then give a thumbs up, like and share, and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.